I'm just a normal guy. I love playing basketball. Let's go! Hey, what happened to me? Ow! That hurt. Wait, is that a basketball?
I'm gonna pick it up.
I think I got smashed.
Yes, I made it to the top. I have to join my team. Ow. 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 Phew. I think I'm okay. Ah! That hurt. Ow! Stop rushing me, basketball. Okay, now you turn back into a normal person.
Yeah, big again.
Yeah, now I can go join my team.